Hello, my name is Valerie and welcome to December's Wellness Wednesday. In this video, we'll be making DIY pinecone bird feeders. For this project, you will need a pair of scissors, pine cones, a paper plate, bird seed, peanut butter, and some twine or string. To start this DIY, I'm going to prepare a bit. In a paper plate, we'll pour some bird seed and set the plate aside for later. We then need to grab our twine and cut them into strands about 15 inches long. These will be the strings from which our bird feeders will hang. For step 2, we'll be tying our twine around each pine cone. A great way to secure the string is to weave in between the scales of each pine cone and then tighten a knot at the center. Your pine cones should end up looking something like this. The next step is a bit messy. Using a butter knife, I slather peanut butter all over the pine cones. It's almost impossible to do this without getting peanut butter on your hands, so good luck. After each pine cone is covered in peanut butter, we'll take our paper plates filled with birdseed and roll each pine cone in the birdseed. The seeds should stick to the peanut butter. Try to cover all exposed bits of peanut butter. And here we've got our pinecone bird feeders. You can tie these bird feeders to anywhere using the twine. I try to find a spot that could be seen from my window. This is a great simple project to do with little ones. I was able to spot a few birds snacking on these as well as one sneaky squirrel. I hope you enjoyed this DIY and encourage you to check out our other Wellness Wednesday videos.